Guys, medyo masama na itong pagramdam ng ATM ko guys. Kailangan natin i-check up at saka CPR guys. Hindi na natin humingi guys. Guys, tulungan nyo guys.
Diyos ko, may talong.
Wala na guys, so. Tapos na kasi katapusan guys. Decide natin guys. Decide natin. Oh, guys, tulungan nyo guys.
Na ka talaga asawa.
Tumitiyan ko guys. So, paano kaya ito guys? Ubus na yung laman. Guys, ito na guys. Guys, may pulso pa guys. May pulso pa. Pagulin natin guys. Ay, pwede na ba?
Diyos ko naman.